In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add link in Sejda PDF Editor. Open your browser and head over to Sejda, the online tool that helps with everyday PDF tasks. On the homepage, look for the option that says Edit a PDF document. It's free. Click that and you'll be taken to the PDF Editor interface. This is where we'll add our link. Next, click Upload Files and choose the PDF you want to edit from your computer. Give it a moment to load. Once it opens, you'll see your PDF page in the main canvas with a toolbar at the top. We'll use that toolbar to add our link. Select the Links tool from the toolbar. This activates link editing mode, which lets you make parts of your PDF clickable. Now click directly on the text you want to turn into a hyperlink. If the text is small, zoom in first so you can make a precise selection. The goal is to ensure the clickable area sits cleanly over the word or phrase you want. A small panel will appear offering different link types. If you want to point readers to a website, choose Link to External URL. In the field that appears, paste or type the full web address. For best results, include the full protocol, like HTTPS ashvayash, so the link opens correctly across devices and apps. If you're copying from a browser, double check that there are no extra spaces at the beginning or end. If you need a link that opens an email draft in the viewer's default mail app, choose Link to Email Address. This is great for contact sections or support notes. Carefully enter the email address in the field exactly as it should appear, and review it for typos before moving on. If you're creating a link that dials a number on mobile devices, choose Link to Phone Number. This is helpful for brochures or flyers viewed on phones. Enter the number cleanly, ideally with the country code, and avoid unnecessary characters to maximize compatibility. Whichever option you chose, make sure you fill out the text field beneath it with the correct URL, email address, or phone number. Think of this as the destination your link will open when clicked, so accuracy is key. When you're satisfied, click Apply Changes. Sejda will process your file and embed the link into your PDF. That's it. Your document now includes a clean, clickable link exactly where you placed it. Thanks for watching. Follow these steps anytime you need a quick, reliable way to add links to a PDF using Sejda.